In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Reuse Slides Pane effectively in PowerPoint. If you've ever wanted to pull a few slides from an older deck into a new one without rebuilding everything, this is exactly the tool you need. The Reuse Slides pane lets you bring in content from another presentation while keeping it organized and looking the way you expect. Start by opening the presentation you're working on. This will be the file you want to add slides to. Make sure you click the slide after which you'd like new content to appear, because PowerPoint will insert reused slides right there in your sequence. Now go to the Home tab, choose New Slide, and then select Reuse Slides. This opens a pane on the right side of your screen. Think of it as a small library browser dedicated to pulling slides in from another file without leaving your current deck. Inside the Reuse Slides pane, click Browse, then Browse File, and locate the other presentation that contains the slides you want. Once you pick the file, you'll see thumbnails of its slides load into the pane, ready for use. This view gives you a quick visual check so you can confirm you're grabbing the right content. Before you start inserting, look for the option labeled Keep Source Formatting. Check this if you want the slide to retain its original design, things like colors, fonts, and layout. This is especially useful if the source slides have a custom theme you want to preserve. If you prefer everything to match your current deck's theme, you can leave it unchecked and the slide will adapt to your presentation style when you insert it. To bring a slide into your deck, simply click its thumbnail in the pane. PowerPoint will insert it at the spot you selected earlier. You can click additional thumbnails the same way to add more slides, one by one, keeping full control over what comes in and where. If you're hunting for a specific slide, use the search box in the Reuse Slides pane. Type a keyword that appears in the slide title or content from the source presentation, for example, a topic name or a unique term you remember. The results will filter in the pane so you can quickly zero in on exactly what you need without scrolling through the entire file. And that's it. With the Reuse Slides pane, you can move content between decks efficiently, keep designs intact when needed, and find slides fast, all without breaking your flow.